comes around, goes around, I'll tell you why.
Why, CJ?
I'm having a good time.
No.
I'm having a good time. Not. Burgers are great to cook on the Blackstone.
So is bacon.
So is bacon.
What if you cook the burgers in the bacon?
Well, that could be done. What if we did something else?
What do you think? What do you think we should do?
Well, let me tell you something. That was actually good. I didn't see that coming. We're gonna do the Elvis burger. Did you know that's a thing? Like, that's a real thing.
Yeah.
It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be tasty.
We shall see.
The Elvis burger has peanut butter, banana, bacon. You guys, it's gonna be rad. You wanna just do it?
Yeah.
Wait.
Oh, cheers.
Oh, cheers.
Cheers.
Hold on here, one more.
So come on, everyone, it's today's first show.
Starting from the top, because Nate messed up. So my last cut was really good. Let's go over to the Blackstone, shall we?
We shall.
We are going to start with our bacon today. We've got our Blackstone, our 36-inch Blackstone set to medium high.
All right.
So are we going to be doing Elvis voices?
I don't know. I don't think we're very good at it.
No, it's obvious that we're not very good at it.
Viva Las Vegas.
So while we're waiting on while our bacon is cooking, we got to get started. Yeah, come back over here. We got to get started on our beef. Today we have 80-20 beef, and we are going to be making some loosely packed balls.
Packed? Yeah, that's like a key to good smash burgers.
Yeah.
If you pack it too tight, you end up with meatballs, like meatloaf consistency.
Yeah, we don't
really
want that.
Want a light pack, and also 80-20. Have you ever made a burger with more fat or less fat than 80-20, or is that just your go-to?
I've made it with more fat.
Yeah.
And I would prefer to do it with more fat than less fat because of all the juice that it cooks in. Well, this ball is a little larger than the other. Let's have an equal opportunity, even ball situation.
The thing is, like, for those numbers, 80-20, that means 80% lean protein, 20% fat, 90-10, 85-15, 25-97. More than 80-20 can sometimes tend to be greasy.
Very, very greasy.
Speaking of the good kind of grease. Oh, you beautiful, beautiful thing.
That is so perfectly timed to flip. The beauty of this recipe is also that it's really...
Oh, they know you're here.
The plane. It's an easy recipe, so it doesn't take a long time.
It's also like a fun departure from the same old.
Yeah, and that is actually a really hard thing to deal with when you get into the burger rut.
Yeah.
It's the rut of burgers.
Not to be confused with the burger gut, which we are both
quite guilty of.
Right?
Get in my belly!
Banana on a burger.
Weird.
How do you feel about this?
I don't know, but the sun's really bright on it.
Yes, it sure
is. There we go. That's
Hey,
better.
Is that much better? So let's talk about that, shall we? Oh, while I'm talking about that, my buddy, Kelly Dewey, made me another knife. And
It's a fun one.
he was testing it out, doing some fun action on the blade. Very, very cool. So
How are we gonna slice this, Mike?
That's a good question. We could just do chips, but I'm thinking we do like more of a length.
Yeah, I like your style.
Yeah, it's a good style, right?
I was talking to the banana.
Oh, hey banana, quality style. All right, what do you think about those?
They look good.
Right?
They look good.
Looking good. And this is for me.
Oh.
Here we go. Let's give her another.
Oh yeah. Man, that's where I like my bacon. That crisp action.
Yes.
We actually have these two burners off. So we've got a cool zone over here and our hot zone over here. So by all means, if you're cooking for a lot of people, load it up. But we're just making it for the two.
Just the two of us.
Just the two of us.
We can make it if we try.
Mini me, you complete me.
I forgot. According to a bunch of people on YouTube, we're not funny.
No.
No more
Bro,
jokes. No more jokes.
I took a lot of shade the last couple days.
Yeah?
A lot of shade has been thrown my way from folks on the interwebs. and it's hilarious.
Leave us a comment below how much you dislike CJ's show.
Shut up. Oh, that is good though.
Man, these are gonna be decent sized smash burgers.
Yeah.
I'm actually thoroughly excited
Yeah, me
to
too.
see your smash technique.
Well, it's not the best. I'm not gonna lie, it's not the greatest.
Dude, is today like a
It's a song day?
quoting day?
Well, because we're involving Elvis, right?
Yeah.
Ain't no friend of mine.
All right, so we're gonna go down directly into our beef fat.
Oh, yes, we are.
Now, here's the thing: we do smash burgers a lot, and we do it with onions, and so the non-sticking of the spatula to the burger happens with the onions. But if you don't have parchment paper, use some of the hot grease, and then you got to get after it. Just go fast.
Get it.
Oh no! Wait,
You're almost there.
hold on. We need backup here.
Wasn't fast
Wait, no.
enough.
Ah, son of a.
Fix it. There you go. We're back in business.
See.
You can't. There we are. You gotta go faster, CJ.
Yeah. Why don't you shut up, man?
Why don't you do it the right way?
You're just putting a lot of unnecessary pressure on me.
No more. Yeah. That's better.
Yeah, it was better.
I feel good though. That's all right.
It's all right.
Ain't nothing wrong with that.
Well, something's
Ain't nothing
wrong with it.
that.
It's a jacked up looking burger, but it's gonna be tasty.
And we are using actually one of my favorites. This is the best all-purpose seasoning I have ever had. It's awesome.
Yeah, I snack on this stuff too.
You just snack on seasoning?
Yeah, it's really fun.
Of course you do.
Yep. All right, so now we've got the burgers doing their thing.
Are we gonna toast the bun and then do like peanut butter and jelly style on a toasted bun?
It honestly makes sense to toast it because of the peanut butter.
So these Martin rolls are amazing.
Yeah,
And they
they're
toast really good.
they're glorious.
I'm really getting excited for the crunch of all this.
Yeah. Well, I'm excited for all the the textures and this sweet, savory,
yeah.
salty.
It's gonna be a party.
All
right.
They're probably about ready to do a flip, don't you reckon?
I don't know. Do you reckon?
Do you reckon? Well, I swear. Oh, dude,
That's all right.
this burger is jacked. It's a good thing this is my first cooking show and not my 9th.
Man, that was awesome crust you got there.
I know, buddy. What's that? You know what I'm gonna do?
No.
Because I'm gonna live on the edge here.
Okay.
Can I please just live on the edge?
Do it.
I'm gonna throw some bananas down,
In the bacon fat?
and we are gonna get some delicious toasted buns and some delicious caramelized
Where on
bananas.
earth did you get the idea to cook bacon?
Bananas and bacon fat.
I came up with it. It's an original.
Where though?
All right. Yes. So you've done it before. It doesn't matter. Shut up. And now I'm gonna go down with my buns.
All right.
So we're gonna go throw those in the back. How's about that? We're gonna go over here on the side. We're utilizing our space. I'm gonna pull the bacon off now.
Dig it.
Yes, sir. I said, hey, did you know Todd? It's like a legend. Todd has met Elvis.
It's not a legend, it's true.
Yes, it is.
It's so easy. Elvis can do it. So sign it off from Las Vegas. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Drink break.
Drink break. Uh-huh. I'm gonna flip my bananas.
Oh, lovely.
Look at that.
Lovely. Dude, I've never seen anyone do this on an
It's
Elvis
just
burger.
utilizing our ingredients to make compounded flavors.
Proud of you.
Thanks, buddy. I'm proud of myself.
Proud of you.
All right. Oh, yes,
Get
sir.
'em. Get 'em.
I'm going to pull them off. Hot. Use tongs, folks.
All right, now it's where we get super Epicurean.
Okay. You ready to do
Brady
this?
just froze when I used that word.
Let's get to our peanut butter.
Both sides? Have we decided?
Oh, we didn't decide, but I decided we definitely need to peanut butter both sides. Don't make an amateur move and get too aggressive with the peanut butter since you're gonna have it on both sides.
Yeah.
Because you want to be able to eat this and not get that peanut butter sticky mouth kind of situation going on.
I can't understand a word you said.
Do you eat some peanut butter or something?
Yeah, you sound like a dog with peanut butter on the roof of your mouth.
So I'm a fan of the creamy here.
Dude, I don't have very many Elvis movie quotes.
I don't. No, me either.
No.
Didn't Nick
Oh,
Cage-
except in Forrest Gump. Hey, man, show me that little,
Say, man, show me that crazy little walk you just did there. Slow it down some.
You ain't nothing but
hound dog. Let's pull off a bun. I mean, pull off a burger and
Why you
throw
gotta
it.
do the nice one first?
Why don't you gotta? Why don't
Is
you
this one
just?
for me?
No.
Okay.
Okay. We're gonna.
Hello.
Hello, governor.
Oh, we're going back?
I'm just setting it down.
You want to burn your fingers like me?
Yeah. I'm gonna. Oh, this is the the little burger that could. And
All right. There you go.
look at that.
Nothing wrong with that.
Nah, dude. Let me get all my bananas. Let's do this.
Oh man, that's really, really beautiful.
Yeah, this is gonna be freaking fun and weird, bro. This burger is, he's got some unique features. Let's slide my burgers over here. Bro, that sad little fella.
I'll have that one.
I'll have that. That sounds good. I'll have that.
What is the soup du jour?
It's the soup of the day.
That sounds good. I'll have that.
You know what? I was gonna clean off my knife, but
Don't need to.
why bother? Bro, have I told you how much I love humidity?
Yeah. Have I told you how much humidity loves you back?
Drink break. It's time to drop the bacon on. What do you say, buddy?
I say we did it, then
All
we
right.
eat it.
I'm gonna do it, then we're gonna eat it. I'm gonna get aggressive with this bacon too. Now the question is it gonna taste good?
Sure it is.
Dude.
Let move your hands so I can get a shot
Shut
of it.
up, dude.
Get your hands out of the way.
All right, should I go ahead and slice it, fella?
Yeah, man.
Here we go, the moment of truth. Oh, let's do the
Show me
reveal.
that. Yeah. Oh man, there's so much going on.
So, I forgot to tell you this super interesting fact about this burger.
What?
You know why they call it the Elvis burger, right?
Because of Elvis.
Because he liked it.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
You don't say. Okay. All right.
There we
The question is, will we?
Ah!
Yeah.
Yeah!
Ah.
Yeah! Let's do it.
You go first.
No, you. Okay. Here's the peanut butter on a burger.
I'll thank you very much. Got sweet, salty, turn at the top of your head. The other
Verdict.
So, bananas, peanut butter, bacon, beef.
Yeah, boy.
That is a good combination.
Yeah, boy.
That is a good combination.
Well, then-
That is so strange. Yeah, get in there. Get that guy.
Peanut butter and the bacon.
I did not think I was going to be okay with the peanut butter,
It's good.
but I'm good with it. There you go, folks. It's good enough for Elvis. It's good enough for CJ's First Cooking Show. That is a fact that you can hang your hat on or polish your blue suede shoes with. Blue suede shoes? Ah, man, it was a stretch, wasn't it? Okay, guys, thanks so much for watching this super cool departure from the average burger world, right? It's pretty fun. So go to blackstoneproducts.com. You can find this recipe, many more. Do me a solid, go to Teespring.
Oh, here we go. Here we go.
And go look at all of the merchandise available for Blackstone Betties. Awesome show. Todd's amazing content, which there's a lot of people on YouTube right now saying, I suck and Todd is superior.
Yeah.
It's true.
It was me.
It was me! It was me! That's a good quote too. Thanks so much for watching, guys. CJ's First Cooking Show.
Get that bell. Get that bell.
Where we cook and we
we
quote. See you guys later.
So get